Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my makeup monthly for the month of August. Can't believe we're already in August. This was a small month. I do have my BoxyCharm items as well as my one item that I did pick up from Ulta, but let's just get into it. Starting with my BoxyCharm items, I got this lava brow gel, and when I first applied it, I really did not like it, but as I started to wear it, I noticed that it did work more and more. It's like that first application, it's like nothing came out, so I'm like, oh, this is a dud. But then it actually worked really well. I wouldn't recommend it for thick brows, but for my thin brows, I felt like it held perfect. I felt like it wasn't overdone. I actually came to really like it. I also got this Fenty Skin Cherry Lip Oil, and I think this was actually on my wish list for a while. I absolutely love it. It's so stunning, it's so nourishing, it feels so good on the lips, and I even like the smell of it, which is pretty rare for me when it comes to beauty products, but this was just absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. I wouldn't say it's the most deep penetrating type of a lip oil, but it does what I needed to do in a lip oil, and I just enjoy wearing it. I enjoy wearing it over lip liner on its own. I will be putting this with my lip oils, so I do like it. I feel like it's a good layer to put on if you're just needing some extra hydration. Definitely not something I would put in place of a lip mask or a lip prep, but something I would use to just add to the nourishment of your lips. I also got this Morphe Glossy Lip Stain, or so the claim is, and I'm not a big fan of it. This is my first time trying anything from Morphe. I believe it's a Korean makeup brand, but I'm not sure. I'm not really familiar with those lines of makeup, but it doesn't do what I need to do. And I think lip stain, I think something that's gonna stay on your lips all day. I know that ColourPop has a glossy lip stain, and I absolutely love it, and I feel like this is just more of a lip gloss versus a stain. As a gloss, it's beautiful, but it doesn't stay on like a stain. It stays on more like a gloss, maybe a little bit of extra longevity, but not enough to where I would call it a stain. This Pinky Beauty had me at setting spray. It's a prime and set mist. I don't really have an opinion on this, but I know I don't hate it. It's nothing that really stands out to me for a setting spray. I didn't really use it as a prepping spray, more so just because I like to use products like this to set my face, and I like to use a primer to prime my face. But I liked it nonetheless. Like, it's nothing that I didn't like. It wasn't anything that really stood out for me. The Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Cream Blush. I'm going to see if I can get a swatch here. This is gorgeous. When I first tried it, I didn't really care for it. It wasn't anything that stood out for me as something that was good, but nothing really that stood out for me as something that was bad. But the more I wore it, the more I loved it. I love the longevity of it. I love the sparkle that it gives. It's a blush that I feel like I don't necessarily need a highlighter to wear with it. The staying power is great, and honestly, I feel like this is just one of those products that I really would absolutely love. The Morphe new Chroma palettes, the 6-pan, I have mine in the shade Sky-Fi. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this because I do have a full makeup look and review on my channel, which I will link down below. All in all, my opinions are about the same. I don't hate it. It's not my favorite. I feel like Morphe could have done better with the rebranding. So all in all, I don't hate this. I don't love it. I feel like if I want this color story, I'll probably reach out for something different, but not bad. And I am glad that they have the deep brown shade to add some depth to the palette, which does make it nice. And I do like the color story as a whole is cohesive. I do have 2 empties and 1 declutter. I did empty a mini Merit Great Skin Serum. I did get a backup mini in a Sephora gift with purchase. So I don't think I'll buy the full size, but if Sephora continues to give these out in the mini versions, I will continue to pick them up because I actually do really like it. I just don't like enough to buy the full size. It is time to declutter my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I did get my uses out of it. It did expire. This was not my favorite concealer. I will not be repurchasing it. And I felt like for as long as I've had it and for as much use as I got out of it, I'm not mad to declutter this. So yeah, I think I used more than half of it. I mean, I definitely used my money's worth out of it. It's just not something that I feel the need to repurchase. I've got a lot of concealers that I like more, but it's time anyway. I was on the verge of wanting to declutter this, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, when it starts to smell bad, And especially now being pregnant, I want to be extra careful of what I put on my skin. But either way, I don't feel safe putting this on my skin anymore. And that is everything in this month's makeup haul. If you are new here, I do focus on beauty and lifestyle. And my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. If not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button. And I'm currently pregnant, so I've got a lot of that content coming as well. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.